In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix MLB The Show network down today. Let's get started. First up, check whether the MLB The Show servers are currently down. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in MLB server status and search for it. Now head over to the website Down Detector. Sometimes the servers are temporarily unavailable due to scheduled maintenance or unexpected outages. If this is the case, online modes such as Diamond Dynasty, Ranked, Co-op, and other multiplayer features won't be accessible until the servers are restored. If servers are online, what you want to do is first close your MLB Show app and restart it. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi or cellular data. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable online gaming experience. Next up, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app. After app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it. Next, check whether you are connected to VPN or proxy. If you are connected, you will need to disable it. If you are playing on Steam, verify the game files by opening your Steam library, right-clicking the MLB Show, selecting Properties, open the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will automatically repair any missing or corrupted files. Next up, check for your device update. For that, launch settings, go to General, go to Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Likewise, if you are using on Windows, update your Windows operating system to the latest version. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.